Hello fellow stackers, 365 here, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I wanted to show you a piece that I've just found when I was sorting out different bits and pieces in my backdrop. I was going through some of my old storage boxes, some of my wooden chests, and I was going through the bits of silver that I had in them, and I was taking them out and I was putting them into deep storage, because a lot of these boxes I brought to showcase things in videos. So I filled them with silver. I've showcased them in a video, but then I put these boxes back in places where they weren't exactly secure. They weren't back in my safes or anything like that. And today, like I said, I've just kind of been going through some of these boxes and taking out the bits of silver that I had in them and putting them a bit more secure, a bit more safe, a bit more locked away. Now, this piece in here that I'm going to show you in today's video is really, really interesting because the way it's toned looks absolutely incredible. Now I'm really hoping that the lighting that I'm doing in today's video does the coin justice, because sometimes when you're trying to show toning on coins in artificial lighting, it doesn't really show very well. It's better to be shown in daylight. But I'm filming at, I believe it's 8 p.m. What time is it? Yeah, 10 past 8 in the evening, so definitely not got any daylight to be able to do that, but we'll see how we get on. If it doesn't look as good as I can see it in real life, I will do another video in the future. But let's get straight into it and let's show you the piece that I wanted to showcase. Now this is a box that I've shown a few times on my channel. I use it to put different coins in, different pieces of silver, and we've got 2 5 ounces on the top here. And when we take it off, we've got, what have we got here? I believe these are 5 ounces as well. These are 5 ounce copper pieces. So really, really cool pieces. Got 2 of them. They're the Aztec calendar ones. Really nice thick pieces in the original seal that they came in. I don't think it's mint sealed as such, but no, it just opens there. But yeah, really, really nice pieces of copper. But the piece that I wanted to showcase in today's video is this piece here. Now this is not in a capsule. I cracked it out of the capsule not long after I brought it. And it's toned really, really nicely. And as I thought, it's not really giving it the true justice that it deserves in this lighting. But it's actually toned incredibly nicely and not any kind of blotchy toning. Sometimes you get coins and they're toned one side, or a blotch of tone in here, a blotch of tone in there. It's actually toned really, really evenly across the whole of the coin. So on this side, not much toning at all. This is the side that's been sitting down on here, so it hasn't been exposed to the air as much. So this side hasn't got much toning going on, looks fairly pristine, but this side looks really, really nice. And like I said, it looks a lot better in daylight. It's a really nice kind of coppery browny toning, and it just looks absolutely incredible. So yeah, really, really unusual to have a coin that tones so perfectly and so nicely, because like I said, there's not many coins that tone so evenly over. It's normally kind of, like I said, blotches of toning, or you kind of get it more around the edges. But this is toned just really nicely across the whole surface of the coin. So yeah, absolutely stunning. Like I said, you can't really appreciate it properly in this lighting. But I will show you this one as well. This one's in a capsule. This one hasn't toned at all. Maybe it's gone a little bit duller, but it's a matte finish anyway on these Libertads. So yeah, not really any toning on this. I believe this is one of those easy open capsules. Yeah, there we go. So we'll actually just showcase this coin. I absolutely love the 5 ounce coins. Don't get me wrong, the 10 ounce coins look really, really nice, but there's something about the 5 ounce coins that looks so nice in the hand. I feel like with a 10 ounce coin, it's almost a bit of a, feels a bit like a novelty item because it's so far away from an actual regular coin size. So it almost looks a bit gimmicky in my opinion. That might be a controversial opinion, but I just think with the 10 ounces, because they're so big, and same again with the 1 kilogram coins, they're almost too big. So you almost lose the sense of a coin feeling. Whereas with the 5 ounces, because they're not quite as big and the distance is a lot closer to a coin, if we have a look in here and we compare it to a Britannia, for example, although obviously it's a lot bigger, it's a lot more relevant to actually feeling like a coin as opposed to a 10-ounce piece. But yeah, I absolutely love my 5-ounce coins. I haven't got many of them in the stack. In fact, I might only have, I think I've got another one of those that's in the capsule and deep storage. I've got this one. I might have another one of these actually that's in deep storage as well. And then obviously I've got the copper pieces that you saw at the beginning. So I haven't got many 5-ounce pieces, and there's not many coins that are available in 5 ounces. You can't get a Britannia in 5 ounces, I don't think. You can't get I don't think you can get a silver maple in 5 ounce either. So it's not really a coin that's easily available. There's not many mints that actually make the 5 ounces. Quite often they jump up to the 10 ounces. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Really, really nice looking piece. And I love the thickness of this as well. Really nice thickness to this coin. It just feels absolutely fantastic in the hand. I remember watching a video fairly recently from Guna Girl, and she's got quite a nice collection of Libertads. She's got right down to the 1/10. She's got the quarter, the full ounce. I believe she's got the 2 ounce. And she was saying in one of her videos she quite likes the idea of going to like the 10 ounce and maybe the 1 kilogram, I think she said as well. But yeah, definitely Guna Girl, if you're watching today's video, I highly recommend you pick up a 5 ounce version of these. They do contain quite a premium because they are a limited mintage, as is with all Libertads. Unlike a Britannia, these are minted unlimited mintage, so they basically keep minting them as people are buying them. Whereas with Libertads, they've actually all got a limited mintage. The mintage is very high on the bullion pieces, but still it is a limited mintage. And the larger the piece you go, the lower that mintage gets. So when you get right up to the 1 kilogram Libertads, the mintage is even lower. So that is what helps them keep their premium. And there's certain years, this is a 2018, I'm not sure what the mintage is without looking it up on this one, top of my head. But there's certain years that have lower mintage than others as well. So similar to the Kookaburras, how they've got that kind of limited mintage and different years have a lower mintage. It just helps maintain that premium and makes them more collectible. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Really, really like this coin. This was a coin I used to play a bit of prank on the community and say that it got my channel banned. And that's why I've got that sticker over there, just to kind of carry on the joke a little bit. But yeah, I will do another video, like I said, in daylight and in different lighting to showcase this, but you can still appreciate it. It's really got a nice kind of coppery tone to it. But it's really interesting that it's toned so well. But yeah, we will leave it back in there. I don't think I'm going to actually put that in deep storage just because I love the way that it's toning. And it'll be interesting to see what happens if it continues to tone nice and evenly, or whether now I've started touching it and messing around with it, whether it starts toning in different places. But yeah, we will get one of these out quickly before we wrap up the video, just to show one of these in the hand. And like I said, these are 5 ounce copper coins. They're the Aztec calendar rounds. Absolutely stunning design. I picked these up from the Silver Forum quite a while ago now. They've got a reeded edge. Absolutely incredible. Feels fantastic in the hand. Almost a bit of a proof finish on this side. It's kind of in between matte and proof. It's not fully shiny, but it's not matte finish either. It's a nice kind of in between. But yeah, absolutely stunning. Really, really nice looking coin. So yeah, we're going to wrap the video up there. Thank you very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed that video. A little bit of a shorter video. Well, I say shorter video. It's probably going to be nearly 10 minutes. But yeah, just wanted to showcase that. But yeah, thanks so much for watching. And I hope you have a very nice day.